Hello and welcome to the question and answer page of Dario Health's YouTube channel. The question that we'll be answering today is, what is included in the membership? Very important to know. Right now we have 3 types of memberships. So first let's go over what's included in all of them. Perhaps most importantly is unlimited test strips. And the way this works is that the application has an algorithm, and the algorithm knows how often you're testing. So before you start running low, we automatically send you more. You don't have to go online, you don't have to call the order. Those test strips are coming to you as you need them. The second thing is, in the first shipment, you'll receive a box of Lancets. After that, you'll need to order the Lancets as you need them. Next, what's included in all of the memberships are weekly progress reports sent to you by email so you can easily keep track of your progress and how you're doing with your blood sugars. The last thing included in all of the memberships is a personalized diabetes educational program, and you'll be able to choose from 3 topics so that the program topic is most interesting to you. Now, let's go on to the second type of membership, which we call our Pro membership. The next thing that's included here is support from a Dario specialist. So throughout your entire membership, you have one-on-one support from someone who's dedicated specifically to you. They're going to call to welcome you to the membership. They're going to call again once you receive the meter and the supplies to make sure that everything's going well, to make sure you've been able to get your first test, and also to give a tutorial of the application, because there's a lot in there aside from just a test, and this way you can make the most of it. Now, our third membership option includes support from a CDE. It has everything we've already mentioned, plus CDE support. That can be great really for everyone, not only people that are starting off with their testing and are brand new to having to understand everything that goes into managing diabetes, but even for people that have been managing diabetes for years can always learn something new from a CDE. So that's what's included in our memberships. Stay tuned for more question and answers, and if you have any questions that you would like answered, comment below. Have a good day, and I'll see you next time.